Started the recording. Yes. So children, we start with practice set 8.2. Question number 3. I'll just note it down here. Sine theta is equals to 4 upon 5, right? Uh, and we need to find cos theta, right? So we need to find cos theta. Okay. Rishi is asking me practice set 8.2 question 2. We'll do it, don't worry. That is based on tables. So उसके लिए पहले मुझे table पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. So first I'll just complete this sums and then we'll go back to that. No, we don't have to use Pythagoras theorem, Soham. Don't worry, I'll just let you know how it is to be done. Now again, there are two methods, like the triangle method, or we can directly use the formula here. Now the formula, when we use it here, in this case, the sum becomes really very simple. What is the formula I asked you all to remember last time? It was sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, right? Okay, Fanil Panchamya, child, you are from which school? Sorry, which branch? Kids, there are few kids who are saying that the screen is bit blur. Is it? If yes, I will try to just reduce the distance, the height. Okay, so there are many kids writing the screen is very clear. Maybe internet issues with some kids. Yeah, it is very clear, children. I can see it on the other screen as well. So we move ahead. जो बच्चों का clear नहीं आ रहा है, maybe internet fluctuation के वजह से होगा, because I just checked it in a mobile, which is right in front of me. I was able to see it very clearly. Yeah, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, right, children? We all know what is value of sine theta. It is nothing but 4 upon 5. And since it is sine square, the formula, I have to put a square here. Plus, we don't know value of cos square theta. We copy it as it is, right? Now, children, what is 4 ka square? It is nothing but 16. 5 ka square is 25. Plus, cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, now I shift 16 upon 25 on the other side, children. So since it is positive, it goes on the other side, it becomes negative, right? Now, I hope everybody knows 1 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब there is a 1 always here. And we cross multiply. Cos theta is equals to question mark. Okay, so 25 into 1 is 25, 16 into 1 is 16, and 25 into 1 is 25. So we keep cos square theta here as it is. 25 minus 16, children, the answer is 9 upon 25. So taking square root, what we have is cos theta, क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्क्वायर था तो रूट से वो बाहर आ जाएगा. 9 का square root has to be 3, 25 का square root has to be 5. So the answer, children, is 3 upon 5. I hope everybody has understood that. Yeah, Arya, I have read your message. Chapter 7 is there in exam. Don't worry, children. ऐसा एक आध जो चैप्टर अलग है उसको हम लोग अलग से लेक्चर शेड्यूल करके खत्म करेंगे, राइट? मेजर बच्चों को अभी चैप्टर 4 और 5 होगा एग्जाम में. So we'll continue with that. I hope everybody has understood this sum. Jay is asking me to repeat. Why, Jay? Have you not understood it? Or have you just missed the part due to internet connection issue? Because it is not that difficult, Jay. Okay, Jay, you missed it. So you can do one thing. You can just later on watch it through the video, right? Children, this question 4 right here is exactly similar to question 3. So I give that as homework. Practice set 8.2, question number 4. It says cos theta is 15 upon 17 and we need to find sin theta. So we use the same formula, children. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. यहाँ पे cos का value substitute होगा and we will find sin theta with the same method. Yeah, of course, I've just forgotten to write a reason here. That is taking square root. And I hope all of you have copied this. Now, children, I don't know, I was just meeting few parents here at my center where I understood there were kids who have not maintained the books. So I am planning on to check whether these kids, you all are, kind of maintaining the books or not. So I would rather ask a random kid to show the book on the video during the lecture at the end. Right? I hope everybody has finished copying this. This is question 3 from 8.2. Question 4 would be homework. Don't worry, Ishan, I'll ask you definitely. Just remind me at the end of the session. Yeah, so few kids have said yes, they've finished copying. Yeah, Kaushiki, we can do this some with triangle method, but just to find cos theta using triangle method may be bit lengthier. हाँ, अगर tan theta भी ढूंढना होता तो definitely triangle method convenient गिरेगा. But yes, we can use either. Okay, Advait says he can't hear me. Advait is the only one who's not able to hear me, I believe. Everybody else is able to hear me. Harshit Patel has some doubt. Okay, Harshit, just give me a minute. I'll unmute you. Harshit, I've requested to unmute you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi Harshit. Bolo.
Sir, sorry to ask this doubt, but sir, I have not maintained all subjects. I have maintained only one book for all subjects because there was shortage of book during the lockdown period.
Okay, so do one thing. As of now, what you can do is at least now, if you have access somewhere, you can get books and you can start maintaining different books from now onwards.
Yes, sir.
Right? Fair enough?
Yeah. Yes, sir. After this book gets complete, can I make that book after this book gets complete?
See, I don't have a problem, Harshit. The problem would be with you. जब आप एग्जाम के पहले पढ़ने का कोशिश करोगे तो एक ही बुक में सब कुछ मिक्स हो गया होगा, right? So it would be very
Yes.
difficult on your part, child, and not on my part.
Okay,
I
sir.
being harsh is basically for you people, so that you all, you know, things become very easier for you all. Anyways,
Okay, sir.
Harshit, it's fine. You can just go ahead. Just make sure that whenever possible, try and make books, right? Maintain books.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome, Harshit. Yeah, children, now moving ahead, before we start with this category of sum, there is this trigonometric table which we need to understand, right? Now, what is this table? There would be certain values which examiners would expect us to remember. मतलब ये टेबल पूरा का पूरा एक बच्चे को expect किया जाता है कि वो याद रखे. Now there are certain tricks how you can remember this table. See, this is sine theta, this is cos theta, and this is tan theta. Now there are certain angles which we call those as standard angles. अब ये standard angles कौन कौन है? First of all, 0 degree is a standard angle. 30 degree is a standard angle. 45 degree is a standard angle. 60 degree, and then at last 90 degree is a standard angle. So there are only this 5 standard angles. No other angle apart from this will be known as standard angle, right? 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. Now we need to fill values for this. Now let us understand how we fill the values, children, here. Very simple it is. I would name it as, let's say, working column. Okay, working row rather than column. The trick here is to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what have I done till now? I've just written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy, isn't it? Okay. Now the second step of the working or the trick has to be to divide everything by 4. Right? To divide everything by 4. The third step of the working and the final step of the working, there are 3 steps which you people need to remember. ठीक है, 3 स्टेप याद रखने हैं. पहला 0 1 2 3 4, दूसरा डिवाइड बाय 4, एंड द थर्ड एंड द लास्ट स्टेप टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट. So you take a square root everywhere, children. Now tell me, what is 0 upon 4? 0 upon anything, children, the answer has to be, that's a trick, Arya. Vikroli from Arya. Yeah, correct, Rishi. Everybody is correct. 0 0 जिसने आंसर दिया है. Yeah, Soham, Kosek, Sek and Kot, they are not there in the 9th syllabus. Definitely 10th के syllabus में है. तो हम लोग तभी भी पढ़ सकते हैं. If you want, I'll just show it to you. Samuel, what does half screen mean? Okay, people are asking me to zoom the camera. Just let me check. Fine. I guess I've zoomed it a lot. Fair enough. Yes. So here we are, children. See, this is a trick, right? So this is not actually a part of table. It is just a trick. How do we get the values of table? So 0 upon 4, children, इसका जो भी आंसर आता है, that is 0. उसका रूट लिया तो भी आंसर 0 आता है. तो उसका जो आंसर है, we write it here. That is 0. Right? Okay, DN Nagar, Namra is saying that the screen is blurred. Child, must be your internet fluctuation problem. Just check it. 1 upon 4, children. 1 is a perfect square. 1 का रूट होता है 1, right? Upon 4 का रूट होता है 2, right? So इसके नीचे इसका आंसर लिखा है साइन के रो के अगेंस्ट. Now 2 upon 4 can be further simplified, children. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, root of 1, children, is 1 itself, right? And root of 2 होता ही नहीं है, तो वो root 2 ही रहेगा. It will stay as it is, root 2. Now 3 upon 4 cannot be simplified, and root 3 कुछ होता ही नहीं है, तो root 3 will stay as it is upon 4 का root होता है. Since 4 is a perfect square, तो 4 का root क्या हो जाएगा? 2. Now 4 and 4, we can simplify them. That is 1 upon 1. 1 का root, children, is 1. I hope everybody has understood कि ये कैसे आया. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, and 1. Correct? 1 upon 1 is nothing but 1. Now cos theta के लिए आपको क्या करना है? You just have to catch hold of this value. 1 को पकड़ो, you place it here. ठीक है, 1 को पकड़ो, you place it here. So I've just kept 1 here. Now root 3 upon 2 को पकड़ो and just place it here. Just catch hold of that and you can place it here. Now place it here, and half is supposed to be placed here. 0 is supposed to be placed here. I hope you people observed what I did. Yashika, 1 upon 1 is as good as 1, because if you say any number, for instance 5, तो हमेशा 5 के नीचे 1 होता है. So if you are so much interested, so much keen about that 1, you can put a 1 here. Fair enough. कुछ issue नहीं है उसमें. Right? ऋषि, साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा 30 60 90 थियरम से नहीं आया था. 30 60 90 थियरम 45 ये लोग सब लोग ट्रिगो से आए थे rather, right? You can correlate definitely them. Yeah. Now children, we all know tan theta from the last class is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta, correct? So we have to divide these two values, that is 0 divided by 1. Children, 0 upon 1, we all know the answer is 0. Likewise, we have to divide these two values. I'll just show you here. Just say, for example, 1 upon 2 is to be divided by root 3 upon 2, correct? Now this division sign, can I write it as the horizontal division sign, like half divided by root 3 upon 2? Now this division sign, it changes to multiplication, children, और जो second ratio होता है उसका reciprocal हो जाता है, something like this. 2 2 gets cancelled, So the answer is 1 upon root 3. Correct? Now this is the value which I'll be writing it here. Likewise, I won't be showing you all the entire calculations for each and every column, but it is like the same thing upon same thing. Definitely cut होकर के answer 1 बचेगा यहाँ पर. Now when you divide this two like this, you get the answer as root 3. And here children, it is like 1 divided by 0. So what is 1 upon 0? Can anybody tell me? Last one ka is 0. No, it is not 0, Indriani. Rishi is correct. Tirth is correct. Infinite is also correct, Arman. So there are few students who are correct. Remember children, whenever 0 is in denominator, जैसे यहाँ पर 1 upon 0, 0 denominator में, in fact 2 upon 0, 3 upon 0, whatever upon 0, the answer has to be not defined or infinite. I hope it is clear. For 9th and 10th, it is not defined. For higher standards, it is infinite. Now there are kids like Samina saying what is not defined. Not defined is a value which nobody knows yet. Samina, I'll just unmute you. Let us kind of discuss an example so that everybody would be understanding things. Okay, Samina, I have requested you to unmute here.
Hello, sir. Sir, I was just asking what is not defined. I know, of course, the value not defined. But I was asking, is not defined the correct answer?
Yes, not defined is the correct answer.
Yes.
Not defined is the correct answer. Anyway, Samina, I would like to go ahead with this example so that everybody else is also clear, right? About not defined. In case, okay. I hope if any kid has any sort of problem with this not defined, just let me know so that I can give this example and clarify, or else I'll just move ahead. Give me a minute, Samina. I'm just waiting for kids to message.
Yes.
Clarify. Okay, right. So, Samina, just tell me what is, let's say, 4 upon 4. What is the value of 4 upon
So
4?
1.
1, right. Now, Samina, tell me what is 4 upon 2?
So it is 2 upon 1.
2 upon 1, that is 2. And let's
That
say
is
what is
2.
4? Yeah, 4 upon 1 क्या होगा?
4.
4. So children, if you observe one thing here, right? Initially, the denominator was 4. Then I changed it to 2. Then I changed it to 1. That means I was just decreasing the denominator. मैं denominator को कम कर रहा था. And meanwhile, what was happening, children? What was happening? The answer, the final answer, if you notice, it was 1 earlier, then it became 2, then it became 4. मतलब मैं जब denominator को कम कर रहा था, my final answer, children, was getting increased. Now imagine what happens when I further reduce the denominator. 1 से भी छोटा कर दिया, 0.9, 0.8, ऐसा करते 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 reduce इतना किया कि हम लोग 0 तक पहुंच गए. तो what will happen to my answer? It will go up to such a high value which nobody knows, and that such a high value, children, we call it as infinite. It is denoted by this symbol. And 9 10th के syllabus में textbook में is infinite को not defined से refer किया.
So for exams, we have to write ND, right?
Yes, you have to write ND, that is not defined. You can't use NND, you have to write not defined the
Not
entire.
defined. Hello, sir.
I hope everybody is able to hear me now. There was some Wi-Fi issue here. Yeah. So we move ahead now. This table is there in the textbook. You can just note down the page number if you want. The page number is 109. It is right here on this side of the textbook, 109. So the table is there. You don't have to worry about it. Just that the working column is not available, right? So you have to remember those three steps: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide everything by 4, and then take a square root of that, right? I hope it is clear. Yeah, children, now we move on to question number 2. Now we move on to question number 2. So I'll just jot down question first here on the paper, then I'll show it to you all. Practice set 8.2. Question number 2. There are 6 sub questions. I'll just jot down the first one. 5 sine 30 degree plus 3 tan 45 degree, right? So here is the sum. I hope it is visible to all of you. Now, children, we just have to get the values of this. Like 5 sine 30 is nothing but 5 into what is the value of sine 30 from the table. Now, how do we understand what's the value, children? I'll just help you here. See, this is the table. Ye hai sine. That is the value, right? So sine theta ka value, children, is nothing but half. Sorry, sine 30 ka value is nothing but half. So instead of sine 30, हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? Half plus 3 into tan 45. Now what is the value of tan 45? What is the value of tan 45, children? You can see tan theta ka row here, right? Tan theta ka row and 45 ka column. So the value for tan 45 is nothing but 1. So instead of tan 45, we write 1. Now 5 into 1, numerator to numerator, when we multiply those, it is 5 upon 2 plus 3 into 1, the answer is 3. Is this clear? Just give me a minute, children. I haven't been reading the chats. Sir, can you tell the ratios for cosec set? Maybe if at the end of the lecture we have time, I would let you know about those 3 ratios as well, right? Yeah. So 3 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब definitely there is a 1, and now you cross multiply. 5 into 1, children, the answer is 5. 2 into 3, my mistake. 2 into 3, children, the answer is 6. 2 into 1, the answer is 2. So 5 plus 6, the value is 11 upon 2. And at the end, if you forget to write the final statement wherein you quote question, that is 5 sine 30 plus 3 tan 45 is equals to 11 upon 2, you lose half a mark if you don't write this at the end. Yeah, you don't have to draw the box anyways. I've just done that. Razin, maybe chapter 4 या chapter 5 से start करेंगे. Just copy the sum. Mrunal says the screen is blur. Maybe child some internet connectivity issue, because I have a screen PC opened up right in front of me. I can see it very clearly, and a phone right in front of me. Both are very clear. Saujanya, the other 3 ratios, we don't need those in 9th standard, child. I've mentioned that 10th standard में लगेगा, तब तक हम लोग पढ़ा देंगे, don't worry. अभी 9th में उसका requirement नहीं है. Right? So you people have finished it? Yeah. So that was first sub question from question 2. Now we'll be talking about second sub question. I'll just jot it down and then I'll show you all the paper. It is 4 upon 5 tan square 60 degree plus 3 sine square 60 degree, right? So I've just copied it here. Now children, 4 upon 5 tan square 60. Now what is tan square 60? When I say tan square 60, what does it means? It means tan 60 का जो भी value होगा उसका square. It does not means कि 60 का square करो और फिर tan 3600 का value ढूंढो. I hope everybody has understood that. तो tan 60 का value from the table. See, tan 60. It comes here. Tan 60 का value, children, is nothing but root 3. So basically, it has to be root 3 the whole square plus 3 into sine 60. Again, I'll check the value in the table for you all. Sine 60, the value is root 3 upon 2. Right? So it is root 3 upon 2 the whole square. Here there is a multiplication sign. Since there is nothing, you can put a multiplication sign. Now, 4 upon 5 into root 3 ka square. We all know root 3 into root 3. The answer is 3 plus 3 into root 3 ka square again is 3. 2 ka square. The answer is 4. So children, this time you just multiply the numerators. 4 into 3, 12 upon 5 plus 3 into 3, 9 upon 4. Now you can cross multiply. 4 into 12. The answer is 48 plus 5 nines are 45 upon 5 fours are 20. Now 48 plus 45, the answer has to be 93, right? 93 upon 20. So finally what we write is, therefore the question 4 upon 5 tan square 60 degree plus 3 sine square 60 degree is equals to 93 upon 20. Right, children? Just copy the sum. If there are any doubts, just let me know in this particular sum. Okay. 3 upon 4 कैसे आया? What? Achha, this is 3 upon 4, right? Sahil has finished copying it. Okay. Yeah, Vaishnavi, I know there are a few kids who have coordinate geometry, few kids who have chapter 5. Don't worry, we'll do it all. But as of now, I'll just go ahead with those chapters which maximum of the kids would be having. Sir, you didn't put degree on the second 60 degree. I have put it, child. It is quite small, I believe, and hence that is not visible. 60 के ऊपर मैंने dot डाला है, degree लिखा है. Okay, you're talking here, right? Very sorry. Answer always get in fraction form. Correct. In trigonometry, we have to keep it in the fraction form, child. Okay. Who's saying it so easy? Daniel. Okay. Okay. So children, we move on to third sub question. Just let me copy it. It is 2 sine 30 degree plus cos 0 degree plus 3 sine 90 degree. Correct. So here it is. I've just copied this. Now, 2 sine 30 ka value from the table. I remember it. If you want me to refer the table, I can, or I can just directly write down the value. What should I do? Can we reduce the value if it can? Yeah, if it is possible to reduce the value of the fraction, you have to, and keep it to the simplest possible form of the fraction. Okay, refer the table. So sine 30. Here. Sine 30, the value is half. Right? So I have just written half here. Plus cos 0. Cos 0. Cos 0, children. Cos wala row second hai, 0 idhar hai. The answer is 1. Plus 3 sine 90, matlab 3 into, what is value for sine 90? It is 1. Right? It is 1. So I've just written 1 here again. Now 2 and 2 definitely will get cancelled. So what is left is 1 plus 1 plus 3 into 1. The answer is 3. So children, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer for this is 2 sine 30 degree plus cos 0 degree plus 3 sine 90 degree is equals to 5. That is how you write. Right? Yeah, Yashika, definitely it is 5 upon 1. Yashika loves the upon 1. Okay, so we move on to the next sub question. I'll be keeping it here only, don't worry. Let me copy the fourth sub question first. And the fourth sub question, children, is important one. It is tan 60 upon sine 60 plus cos 60 degree. Right? So this is the question. Yeah, that's it. Tan 60 ka value, we will just use the table once again. Tan 60 is root 3. So I just jotted down here as root 3 upon sine 60 ka value. Sine 60 ka value is root 3 upon 2 plus what is cos 60 ka value? Cos 60, it is half. I hope everybody is understanding how we pick up the values. Correct. Now children, the numerator, we cannot do anything with it as of now. So we keep it as it is. But in the denominator, it is fraction plus fraction, addition of fractions. So when that happens, and you just have a look at the denominator, children. Fraction plus fraction में denominators अगर equal है, so what we do is we write the denominator only once and we operate, यानी add the numerators. मतलब in this case, we will be adding root 3 plus 1. Now there are many students who have this temptation of cancelling root 3 and root 3. You cannot, because this is a monomial, a single term, and there are two terms here, children. You cannot cancel those. Now what you have to do is root 3 divided by root 3 upon root 3 plus 1 upon 2. This is how you imagine this. And then the division sign, children, changes to multiplication. ये जो 2 है numerator में आएगा, root 3 plus 1 denominator. So 2 into root 3, the answer is 2 root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. I hope this is clear. Now at the end, you just write down the question with the answer. I'll just jot down the final part here. Yeah, don't worry, children. I'll clear the doubts. Just let me finish the sum here once. I'll unmute those kids who have doubt with this particular sum. So here is the final answer. You write it at the end. Okay. Harshit Patel has some doubt. Sir, this table will come in the exam or have to keep the table in mind? You have to keep the table in mind, Meet. Okay, Harshit is the only one who has the doubt. I believe. Yeah, so Harshit, just give me a minute. I'll unmute you in a moment. Till then, the other kids can copy it. Yeah, Harshit, I've requested you to unmute.
Sir.
Bolo Harshit.
Sir, I am having a doubt in last sum.
Last sum मतलब ये ना?
इससे पहले वाला.
Okay, this one, third. बोलो.
Sir, इसमें. Sir, actually second sum. Sorry, sir, second sum.
Oh, let me search. Where is the second sum now? Here it is, yeah.
Sir, how 48 plus 45 upon 20 came?
Acha, this child you cross multiply.
Yes.
You cross multiply.
Sir, before that.
ये step तक समझा?
No, means how that value came.
Okay, ये समझा?
Yes.
Acha, so now it is very simple. You multiply 4 and 3. What is 4 3s are?
12.
अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा 12 और नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में ऑलरेडी 5 था तो 5 लिखा। फिर यहाँ पे कौन सा ऑपरेटर दिखाई दे रहा है?
प्लस
हाँ, तो प्लस लिखा। देन 3 into 3
9
9 upon 4, so 9 upon 4. Then I just cross multiplied 12 into 4, पहले हम लोग ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करते, ठीक है, 12 into 4 किया तो 48, फिर बीच में जो साइन होता है वो लिखते हैं, फिर हम दोनों ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 5 9 45, और फिर नीचे हम लोग ऐसे नीचे वाले दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। दैट इज हाउ वी डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So 48
okay
plus 45 is 93 upon 20, and that is your final answer because I cannot further reduce it.
okay sir. Okay sir, and in this sum, in that fifth sum,
Fifth
in
sum.
that fourth sum, sorry,
Fourth sum.
if we don't do that second step, means is equal to root 3 upon root 2 plus after
Half.
this step.
Acha, you have not understood after this step.
Sir, no, I have understood this, means if we don't do any this step, is it okay?
If you don't do any
Second
step, you won't get any marks. अर्चित,
yes.
हाँ, अगर स्टेप्स नहीं करेंगे तो मार्क्स कहाँ से मिलेगा बेटा?
No, means I am telling that if we don't do this second step, is it okay? This
You have to do
is
the
equal
step.
to
It's not okay. You have to do all the steps.
okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
I hope everybody has finished copying it. Rohit, rather than repeating how the table we get it, you can watch the video later on, right? And still, if the doubt persists, then we will definitely repeat it. Yeah. So children, we move on to the next two sums, and those are really very easy. I'll just jot down question 5 first. It is cos square 45 plus sine square 30, right? So children, cos square 45, when you refer the table, it is 1 upon root 2 the whole square, plus sine 30, when you refer the table, it is half the whole square. Sine 30 का value half है, cos 45 का value 1 upon root 2. And since we have a square here, I've just put the whole square. Now root 2 का square, the answer is 2. 1 का square, we all know 1, 2 का square is 4. Now children, we cross multiply. So 4 into 1 is 4, 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 4s are 8. So it is 6 upon 8. Now you can just simplify it further. 2 3s are 2 4s are. So the answer is 3 upon 4. And at the end, you write the question is equals to answer, right? If any doubts, just let me know. This is the final answer. Just copy it. Jay, क्या पूछ रहा है तू? If in question sine is of 30, so tan and cos is also of 30 in same question. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ जरूरी नहीं है. 45, 30 सब अलग अलग है. Okay, so no one is having any doubt. Okay, Jay is having a doubt. Let me unmute Jay here. See, Daniel, people have doubt. You said no one can have a doubt. It is such easy. So Jay, just give me a moment. I'll unmute you, your child. Yeah, Jay, I've requested you to unmute.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi Jay. Bolo.
Sir, actually, I have doubt in last sum.
Last sum. So where is that? Here it is. Fourth sum.
Sir, in fourth step, how did we get in
Fourth step
root
is
3
1,
into
2,
clever
3.
2?
This one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How did I?
How did we get to 2?
Okay, how did we got this is the question.
Yes.
Okay, so see, child, it is root 3 divided, right? Divided by root 3 plus 1 upon 2. When the division sign changes to multiplication, the second ratio उसका reciprocal हो जाता है, उल्टा होता है. तो 2 ऊपर आ गया, root 3 plus 1 नीचे चला गया. अब 2 into root 3, the answer is 2 root 3 और नीचे ये as it is रहेगा. So this is your final answer. You cannot cancel root 3. As I said earlier, क्योंकि ये ऊपर एक टर्म है, प्लस या माइनस से सेपरेटेड नहीं है, मोनोमियल है, और नीचे दो टर्म्स है, बाइनोमियल, प्लस से सेपरेटेड है, hence you cannot cancel it.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Sir,
शिवाजी,
actually there is
वैसा
my internet issue now. That's why I didn't understand it.
no problem. शिवाश्री cos 15 करके ऐसा कुछ आएगा नहीं, और अगर आएगा तो वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स होगा. व्हाट आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स? आई विल डिस्कस दोस इन फ्यू मोमेंट्स. लेट मी कंप्लीट दिस कैटेगरी ऑफ सम स्क्वायर्स. राइट? हाँ, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मतलब 90 है, बट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूला से रिलेटेड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्या है वो देखते हैं. सिक्स्थ सब क्वेश्चन हो गया है श्रुति का. वाओ, amazing Shruti. So I'll just jot down the sixth sub question here on the paper, then I'll show it to you all. Plus sine 60 degree into sine 30 degree. Yeah, I've jotted it down here, children. Here it is. So what is cos 60? It is nothing but half when you refer the table. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 plus sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 and sine 30 is half. These are the values which I've taken it from the table, right? Ayan, it's good to be confident. Don't worry. So children, I'll just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 1 into root 3, definitely it is root 3. 2 into 2, it is 4. Plus root 3 into 1 is root 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. Now, fraction plus fraction, the denominators are equal. So I just write the denominators once and I operate the numerators. I add the numerators. Root 3 plus root 3, the answer is 2 root 3 upon 4. It goes like this, 2 ones are 2 twos. I've just simplified the ratio. So the final answer is root 3 upon 2. Then you copy the question and write down the answer. You can just copy the sum, children. If any doubts, just let me know. There is an into here, cos 30 degree plus sine 60 degree into sine 30 is equals to root 3 upon 2. Yeah. Time हो गया क्या? Book checking. 15 minutes है अभी स्वयं. 15 minutes left. Jay, you have raised your hand. Is there any issue? If not, just lower it. Yeah, thank you. Sir, remaining ratios if you can. Tirth, I can, but there are a few questions like question 5 from problem set and question 1 from problem set still pending. So I would like to finish those off first. Then we can discuss all those all that stuff which is not there in 9th and there in 10th, right? If we have time. Shivashri, as I mentioned, cos 5 आएगा तो वहां पे एक मेथड है जो कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फॉर्मूलाज बोलते हैं related to trigonometry, of course, which I'll be discussing after this. So give me a few moments, Shivashri. Don't worry. Sir, I can't understand third step. Okay, first, second, third. This step. Penil, is it this step? Just confirming, or this one? Which one? Okay, Fenil, it is quite simple. I'll just help you here. See, denominators are equal, 4 and 4. So whenever denominators are equal, we write it once and then we operate the numerators. Operate यानी अगर बीच में plus है तो add, बीच में minus है तो subtract. So when you add, what is root 3 plus root 3? It is 2 root 3. And 4 is written as it is. So 2 ones are, 2 twos are. The final answer is root 3 upon 4. I hope Fenil has understood that. Okay, now we move on to the next part. And that next part, children, is complementary formulas related to trigonometry. When I say complementary formula, you don't have to copy this. This is just for our understanding purpose. Let's say this is a beautiful right angle triangle and this is theta, right? So children, when I ask, let's say someone, what is sine theta, right? So sin theta has to be opposite, yani AB upon hypotenuse, that is AC, correct? Now children, if this is theta, this is 90, can I find this angle, angle A? Yes, we can find angle A using angle sum property. मतलब angle A plus angle B plus angle C, तीनों को ऐड किया तो हम लोग को पता है 180 आता है. Angle A का value we need to find it. B is 90 and C we have considered it as theta. Children, theta उस तरफ गया तो minus theta होगा, 90 उधर गया तो minus 90. So tell me what is 180 minus 90? Definitely 90. Theta goes there, becomes minus 90. So children, A का value is nothing but 90 minus theta. तो याद रखना ये 90 है, right? ये 90 है, ये theta है. So this angle has to be 90 minus theta. Correct? Now children, what if I ask someone what is cos 90 minus theta? मतलब cos of angle A. क्योंकि 90 minus theta मतलब ये वाला एंगल. तो A के अकॉर्डेंस में cos theta का फॉर्मूला इज adjacent upon hypotenuse. तो A के अकॉर्डेंस में the adjacent side has to be AB upon the hypotenuse has to be AC. So when you look at this and this, दोनों का राइट हैंड साइड्स आर दे इक्वल? देखो इधर भी AB upon AC है, इधर भी AB upon AC है. Now since the right hand sides are equal, can I state the left hand sides are equal? मतलब sin theta can be stated as cos 90 minus theta. ये आपका पहला फॉर्मूला है. sin theta is cos 90 minus theta और इनको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फॉर्मूलाज बोला जाता है अंडर ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सेक्शन, राइट? I hope it is clear. Why complementary formulas? Because theta और 90 minus theta को जब आप ऐड करोगे तो आंसर 90 आता है. मतलब ये दोनों एक दूसरे की कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. अगर एक 1 डिग्री है तो दूसरा 89 डिग्री है, एक 2 डिग्री है तो दूसरा 88. I hope that is clear. 3 87, 4 86, so on and so forth. दोनों को मिला के 90 होता है. And hence all such formulas we call those as complementary formulas. I'll just jot down all such complementary formulas on a single page so that you all can remember and jot it down somewhere simultaneously, right? Yeah, just give me a minute. You don't have to copy that part कि वो कैसे derive होता है. Sin theta is nothing but cos 90 minus theta and cos theta is nothing but sin 90 minus theta. So this is the first set of formulae. The second, sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta, and cosec theta can also be written as sec 90 minus theta. And the last one, children, is tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta, or cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta. I hope this much is clear to all of you. Yes, you have to copy this set of formulas, right? Or you can take a screenshot of this. Cosec and sec theta are nothing but ratios like sin theta, cos theta. There are 6 ratios overall: sin, cos, sec, cosec, tan and cot. Cosec is reciprocal of sin. Sin का उल्टा होता है. Yeah, Meet, definitely I would wait. Don't worry. Ayan is asking me value of theta varies. एक सम में पर्टिकुलर सम में फिक्स्ड रहेगा वैल्यू थीटा का. हाँ, सम टू सम वेरी होगा. Okay, Aman has finished it. Arya has finished it. Sir, we should name it as complementary ratio, right? Yes, you can name it as complementary ratios. Done, sir. Done, sir. Finished. Wow, done. Good. Yes, sir. Done. Sir, finished writing. Done. Good. Hope everybody has copied the formulas. Complementary ratios. Now, children, we'll just discuss the MCQs here from the problem set. Yeah, here it is. It says which of the following statements is true, right? The first one is sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. The other, you can see a relation between cos and tan, that is complementary. We all know cos का tan के साथ तो complementary है ही नहीं, sin का tan के साथ नहीं है, और tan का tan के साथ नहीं है, tan का cot के साथ था. So definitely the answer, correct answer is option A, right? अरे बाप रे, Anshika from Devi Dayal has chapter 9. Children, you can just give the portion to your center heads. So if there are any variations, they would take care of those topics. Like Devi Dayal, so you have to report it to, I believe, Nishan sir, right? Yes, Ria, you have to report it to Nishan sir. So he would take care accordingly. We'll place a session later on for that. You don't have to write it, Yashika. It is just option A, right? I believe you have understood that. That is fair enough. Now, which of the following is the value of sine 90? It is straightforward. You have to just refer the table. Sine 90 का जो value है, it is nothing but 1 from the table. Now, again, this is a question based on the table. I'll just jot down that and then we'll find out the value. 2 tan 45 degree plus cos 45 degree minus sine 45 degree. So, children, let us find the value for this particular question. 2 into tan 45, the value for tan 45 is 1 from the table. Cos 45, the value is 1 upon root t, root 2. Sin 45, again, the value is 1 upon root 2. Now, children, what is 2 into 1? 2. Perfect. Achha, 1 upon root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. It is like plus 2 minus 2. एक positive है, एक negative है. Definitely they would get cancelled. So the answer is 2. So this is equals to 2, and that means it is option number C, 2. Now here comes the question. I believe Yashika या पता नहीं कोई तो बच्चा शिवाश्री शायद से बार बार रिपीट कर रहा था कि सर अगर ऐसा कुछ आया तो स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स नहीं हुआ तो क्या. जैसे यहाँ पर cos 28 is not a standard angle, मतलब not an angle which is there in the table. तो अभी क्या करने का, जब भी स्टैंडर्ड एंगल नहीं होता है, you just check, children, the angles which are involved in the sum. There would be two angles precisely. जैसे 28, तो 28 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कौन है? 62. वो है क्या यहाँ पे? मतलब तुमको चेक करना है कि दोनों को ऐड करके 90 हो रहा है या नहीं. If adding these two angles, it is equal to 90. Sin and cos, we all know they are complement to each other. Hence, you have to apply complementary formula. मतलब अगर स्टैंडर्ड एंगल नहीं है तो 100% वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होने वाला है. That is how it goes. Now, since it is complementary, what you have to do? You have to apply the formula either in the numerator or in the denominator. दोनों जगह अगर formula apply किया, कभी answer नहीं मिलेगा. It would be like just, moving around and around. So, let's say I use the formula in the numerator. Numerator में मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है cos 28, so that is cos theta. As per the formula, right? As per the formula, cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. So cos theta के बदले, instead of this, I write sin 90 minus the theta here is 28 upon denominator को हमने कुछ नहीं किया, so that remains as it is, sin 62. Here I'll put down the reason as since cos theta is nothing but sin 90 minus theta, right? Now, children, 90 minus 28, we all know is nothing but 62 degree. So, sin 62 upon sin 62, finally the answer is 1. That is how we come to know the answer is 1. If you want, you can just copy the solution for this. Usually it is asked in MCQs, but कोई एक आध school अगर solution पूछ ले तो here it is in front of you. ये कौन है? First unit test of geometry is on Monday. Who's that Monday वाला? नाम किधर है? जय चौहान. हाँ, तो जय क्या प्रॉब्लम है बोलो ना. मंडे को है, अंडरस्टूड, राइट. तो क्या पोर्शन में बाकी है मुझे बता. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट, विश यू लक. So children, we have almost finished the chapter. Just the last question which is left. It won't take more than 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so hum noted your school has started coordinate geometry. I believe you people have copied this or taken a screenshot at least, because I need to finish the last sum now. So let us talk about the last sum. It is question number 5 from problem set. And there are 3 questions in it. I'll just copy all the 3. This is the first one. There is a box here. Let's say there is a second one, tan 30 into tan of some angle is equals to 1. And then the third one, cos 40 degree is equals to sine of some angle, right? So these are the 3 questions which we need to fill in. अच्छा, एग्जाम्स में आपको सॉल्व करने का जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन बिना सॉल्व किए आंसर भी नहीं पता चलता है. इफ यू कैन जस्ट राइट इट डायरेक्टली. नाउ वी ऑल नो साइन और कॉस कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एक दूसरे का, एंड 20 डिग्री इज नॉट अ स्टैंडर्ड एंगल, तो 20 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इधर एंगल आएगा, बिकॉज साइन थीटा द फॉर्मूला वी ऑल नो इज नथिंग बट कॉस 90 minus theta. So this is the formula, right? This is the formula. Now children, sin 20 theta 20 है, तो 90 minus 20, the answer has to be 70 degree. I hope everybody has understood 70 कैसे आया. Now here tan 30 into tan of what angle will give me the answer is 1. So पहले tan 30 का value table में से निकालना पड़ेगा. Tan 30 का value I believe is either √3 or 1 upon √3. I guess it is 1 upon √3. Then हमको ऐसा कौन सा value है टेबल में से, tan का कौन सा एंगल का value है जो कि यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करने पे आंसर 1 आएगा. द आंसर इज √3, राइट? तभी जाके √3 कैंसिल होके आंसर 1 आएगा. तो इन ऑर्डर टू गेट इट एज 1, ये √3 आना चाहिए, और ये √3 आने के लिए दिस हैज टू बी 60 डिग्री, बिकॉज tan of 60 इज √3. आई होप एवरीबडी हैज अंडरस्टूड इट. सो दिस हैज टू बी 60 डिग्री. अब ये वापस cos और sin वाला फंडा है. यू हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला cos थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू sin 90 minus theta. So this is theta 40. 90 minus 40 is nothing but 50 degree, and that's your answer. 70, 60, 50. I hope that is clear. Thank you so much, children. We are done with trigonometry chapter here. Nothing left from the syllabus. If there are any other queries apart from syllabus, we will just discuss those next time. God bless you all, children. Bye-bye.